Welcome dear students, I am Mr. Abhijit. In this lecture we will see what are the properties of alkanes. So first we will see what are the physical properties. Alkanes are non-polar in nature. Like you know, water is a polar molecule where you can separate two charges, means positive charge and negative charge. But in alkanes it is not possible to separate charges. Therefore they are non-polar in nature. The bonding present in alkanes is nothing but the van der Waals forces. These are the weakest forces which are present in molecule. So because of such type of forces, these smaller alkanes are gaseous at room temperature, or these van der Waals forces are also called as London forces. Lower alkanes are gases. As you see, the first four members are gases, then 5 to 17 are liquid, and the higher alkanes are wax-like solid compounds. As I have already told you that because of these van der Waals forces, these lower alkanes are gases in nature. Then they are less denser than water. Because of less density, they floats on water. Boiling point of alkanes increases with increase in carbon atom. So as you increase the number of carbon atoms in a chain, the boiling point is increases with increase in carbon atoms. And this is applicable for all functional groups. Then in isomeric alkanes, branched alkanes have lower boiling point because of surface area. If you consider the example as I am showing here, suppose I am taking example of N-pentane and neopentane. Okay, so here suppose I write N-pentane structure, that is CH3, CH2, CH3. Okay, it is 5 carbon atom containing straight chain molecule and the name is N-pentane, and the isomer of the N-pentane, because we are considering isomeric alkanes. Okay, so isomer, suppose I consider here, that is CH3C, CH3, CH3. Okay, so this is nothing but the neopentane. If you consider both these pentane molecules, so what happens here? This N-pentane is having higher surface area or big surface area as compared to neopentane. Okay, that's why what happens here? This N-pentane is having higher boiling point as compared to neopentane. So in this way, if isomeric alkanes are there, these branched alkanes, so this is the branched alkane, they are having lower boiling point as compared to the normal chain alkanes because of surface area. Then alkanes are soluble in non-polar or slightly polar solvents. As you know the one sentence that like dissolves like. Okay, so the polar dissolves polar or non-polar dissolves non-polar. Likewise, alkanes are non-polar in nature. Therefore, they are soluble or miscible in non-polar solvents, or they are slightly soluble in polar solvents. Okay. Then what are the chemical properties? So they contain strong carbon, hydrogen and carbon-carbon single sigma bonds. Okay, all the bonds present in alkanes are single bond, that may be carbon-carbon single bond or carbon-hydrogen is already a single bond. Then they have low reactivity and show very few reactions. As we have already seen some of the reactions of alkanes, these alkanes are only capable of giving some of the few reactions, that may be nitration reaction. Okay, then you can say halogenation reaction. Okay, they are capable of only to show these two types of reactions, and some of the reactions that involve carbon-carbon bond breaking. Then inert towards the acids and bases, because these are non-polar compounds, they are not going to react with many of the acids and bases. Then they are inert towards the oxidizing and reducing agent. Then they react with halogens and nitric acid. As I have already told you about these reactions, that they are reacting with halogens and nitric acid. With nitric acid, it gives nitration reactions to form nitroalkanes, and with halogens, it gives halogenation reaction to form alkyl halides. So with this, we conclude this lecture. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please post in comment section. Thank you.